Yeah, it's called the Trippa Snippa.
Why's it called a Trippa Snippa?
Because it trips you the fuck out and your whole life gets snipped from reality. Plus you hear the sound of a whippersnipper in the back of your head for like 7 hours or so.
Sassy, what's in it?
Oh, you know, the usual. Speed, weed, heroin, cocaine, mushrooms, clean, petrol, battery acid, salvia, meth, some herbs and spices and some lettuce and tomato, vodka sauce, bam and the dirt is gone, Ajax spray and wipe, some chicken and cheese, all wrapped in a tortilla.